If tantrums feel impossible to stop, this one breathing trick can change everything.
It's called the 4 to 7 8 method, and parents swear it works like magic.
Because when your child's breathing slows, and the tantrum follows.
The trick isn't forcing them, it's guiding them.
Watch how a meltdown can shift in less than 20 seconds.
Step 1. EOU. Breathe first. Kids copy what they see.
Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold that breath for 7 seconds. Now exhale gently for 8 seconds. Your child will mirror your calm without you saying a word. Even if they're crying, their breath begins to match yours.
This activates their parasympathetic system, WINSIL, the body's calm button.
Because calm isn't taught, it's transferred.
In seconds, the meltdown loses power.
The secret? It resets the toddler's overloaded brain.
Tantrums fuel fast breathing. Slow breathing shuts them down.
Just get eye level, breathe slowly, and wait.
Most toddlers calm within 15 to 20 seconds of copying your breath.
It doesn't fix every tantrum, but it transforms many.
Try the 4 to 7 8 trick once. You'll feel the shift instantly.
Relaxed shoulders are the first sign the tantrum is losing strength.
Long exhales release tension from their tiny nervous system.
You don't need to speak. Just guide with your own breath rhythm. Toddlers copy calm just as fast as they copy chaos. Because breath controls heart rate, and heart rate controls emotions.
Slower breath activates calm pathways instantly.
You'll notice their cries lower. Their body softens.
Use your hand to show slow breathing. Toddlers understand movement.
You don't need to pick them up. Just be close and breathe.
The moment they copy you, the tantrum begins ending. A gentle hand on the back can help anchor their breath.
Slow breath finds slow heart. Slow heart finds no tantrum.
If needed, whisper, but keep your tone soft and steady.
Inside their brain, stress chemicals drop within seconds.
Your calm becomes their calm.
This isn't a trick. It's biology. Repeat the 4 to 7 8 cycle until you see their breathing match yours.
Most tantrums settle without raising your voice even once.
In this moment, connection replaces chaos.
This simple breath pattern teaches emotional control for life.
Before calming your child, notice your own breath first.
Your exhale teaches them more than your words ever could.
Even in chaos, they're watching you for emotional cues.
So breathe slower than normal, so they follow slower than normal.
Children copy simple visuals, like rising and falling shapes.
If they struggle, stay patient. Their brain is still learning regulation.
Their brain recognizes the pattern and begins to sync. Guide them with movement. It's more powerful than instructions.
When breath slows, emotional storms lose momentum.
This creates what experts call a calm bubble.
Stillness is powerful. Toddlers absorb it instantly.
After the breath shift, connection naturally returns.
The amygdala, tool, the tantrum center, calms when breathing slows.
This is the moment you know. You've reached their calm system.
No yelling, no pressure, just presence and breath.
Within a minute, the tantrum becomes a memory.
Now the child is ready seeing to reconnect emotionally.
This is not discipline, it's nervous system science.
Regulated kids learn to communicate instead of explode.
And it all starts with one simple breathing pattern.
Next, the face softens and breathing evens out.
Hands unclench first, a small but powerful sign of calm.
Your breath remains the anchor, the guide.
This pattern resets stress signals in the toddler's brain.
Breath mirroring is the core of emotional co-regulation.
Skin-to-skin touch enhances calm even more.
Their brain is now shifting from fight mode to safety mode.
Cortisol, the stress hormone, drops during slow breathing.
Nods, smiles, and soft gestures build trust during meltdowns.
A long exhale is the toddler's emotional reset button.
Repeat the 4 to 7, 8 rhythm to deepen the calm.
Most tantrums fully settle by this point. Once calm, emotional connection becomes possible again.
This calm moment teaches the child trust and safety.
Now their brain is ready to redirect without resistance. A moment ago, they were overwhelmed. Now they're regulated.
Breathing brings calm, and calm brings logic.
A small smile shows the emotional shift is complete.
This creates long-term emotional control, not just a moment of peace.
The 4-7-2-8 method builds a calmer child and a calmer home.
Breathing becomes steady. The storm has completely passed.
Now is the moment. Their brain is open to comfort.
This connection rewires emotional pathways for the future.
The pattern is simple and scientifically proven.
And you can use this technique anywhere, anytime.
Your child starts learning self-regulation through repetition.
Each time you use 4-7-8, they calm faster than before.
You remain the steady voice their nervous system copies.
Slow breathing increases oxygen, helping the brain think clearly.
This is the moment every parent waits for.
The storm is gone, connection returns.
Because it shifts the body from fighting to safe mode instantly.
No yelling, no force, just calm transferred through breath.
Slow breathing even helps them fall asleep quicker.
Inhale for 4. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8.
This simple rhythm becomes their emotional anchor. You just taught emotional regulation without a single word.
Because the calm you model becomes the calm they learn.
Every tantrum is an opportunity to teach emotional growth. Try the 4-7-8 breathing trick and feel the shift in your home.